Apple Pie Oatmeal. You'll need 1 cup of steel-cut oatmeal, 2 cups of almond milk, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of maple syrup optional, but who wouldn't add it right? 1 large apple peeled and cut into bite-sized pieces, and 1 cup of applesauce, preferably unsweetened. Combine the milk, oatmeal, maple syrup, and cinnamon into a saucepan. Get it on low stirring occasionally until the milk is absorbed, then mix in the applesauce as soon as all the liquid is absorbed. In about 15 minutes, throw it in a bowl and enjoy this creamy, sweet, tummy-warming breakfast. Oatmeal Raisin Cookies. I just love these cookies. To make them, you will need 3/4 cup of flour, 1/2 a teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 egg, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 cup of applesauce, 1 cup of raisins, and 2 cups of fast-cooking oats. Mix the flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon in a bowl. In another bowl with the sugar and butter, then add the egg. Pour in the applesauce and 1/3 of a cup of water. Now you can add the flour mixture. Throw in the raisins and oats. Mix it all together and place it in the fridge for at least 20 minutes. Preheat your oven to 350, and while it's heating up, use an ice cream scoop to put cookie dough balls on the baking tray. Don't you eat those yet, I'm watching you. Wait until they spread out of it and throw them in the oven. Bake the cookies for about 15 minutes until they turn golden brown. You'll go cuckoo for these cookies. Almond Butter Banana Oatmeal. You'll need 1 cup of steel-cut oatmeal, 2 cups of almond milk, 2 tablespoons of almond butter, 2 teaspoons of honey, optional but highly recommended, and 1 thinly sliced banana. Mix the oatmeal with the milk in the saucepan and heat it on low until the milk is mostly absorbed. Then add the almond butter and half the banana slices. Stir the mixture and let it soak up the rest of the liquid. When the oatmeal becomes more or less dry, move it to a bowl, drizzle with honey, and decorate with the remaining banana slices. Bon appetit! So do you eat oats regularly? If so, how do you prepare them? Share your recipes with us in the comments below. Share this video to all your friends because oatmeal is good for everyone. And don't forget to give it a like while you're at it. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe today for more exciting videos.